Okay, we are on our way to do a Model 561 food door seal and the lower hinge and bearing. So let's get started on this project. Okay, we are here. Okay, here we are. I don't think we even need a door seal here. I don't think this is ripped. It's got a little rip there. Looks like it wasn't installed properly. Okay. All right. Let's do this. Shut this off. Let's get that E-clip off there. All right, the first thing you want to do is remove the E-clip from the door closer. Okay, here is the E-clip that we just pulled off of there. Put that there, and I'm going to take this door closer. Okay. Leave that there. All right, let's get this door propped up. Phillips and torque wrench. Okay, and that looks like a 1/8 torque wrench. We'll check that out. These are the shipping screws. Another one right here. I'm going to take everything off the door. Might have to take the whole door off to lift that up. All right. I thought I was going to be able to change that hinge without taking the door off, but I've done it before, but it's a lot easier just to take the door off. Now, like this. Bearing. There's the hinge. It's going to go on like that. Okay, so here's the problem. That hole has been expanded and worn out. Look at this. See that? It's not supposed to do that. So we're also going to clean this up a bit. And then we're going to change the bearing. Rust. bearing 7015919. Little silicone grease. Okay. New hinges on. All new screws. Okay. Might have to loosen this up to adjust the door. We'll check it once we get it on. Looks good. Okay, so we reattach the door closer here. You have to make sure that the door closer is in that plastic nylon slot right there, otherwise you won't get it in. The next thing we need to do, I'm sorry I couldn't video that because I had a hard time with it. Next trick is to try to get this E-clip back in there. Okay, looks like it's on. All right, so far so good. Get in my bag, clean up the floor. There we go. Now we change the seal.